So we're here at a United Machining Solutions stand. Exciting times. Tell us all about it.
Actually, United Machining is the new name that we have, but what is more important is the old and well-known names of our technology brands. And we actually present 6 of our brands, which is Agie Charmilles, Charmilles, Mikron Mill, Liechti, Step-Tec and Steptach. Agie Charmilles is the brand that is known on the market for more than 70 years. The company was the inventor of the industrial EDM. It's very well known and everyone knows that as a Swiss quality, precision and innovation for more than 70 years.
And Charmilles?
Charmilles is our brand. It is a new name, but it's actually built on more than 15 years of the expertise that we have in the laser technology. Laser Charmilles machines, they are for laser texturing and laser micro machining. It's a new technology, it's fastly growing, and we see that this is the technology of the future.
And of course, you have the very well-known Mikron Mill.
Absolutely. Mikron Mill is the brand that when we need the high accuracy, then high-speed milling machines from the Mikron Mill is the answer. It's also known on the market as a brand that stands for its innovation and a very good heritage that comes from the long years of being present in the milling production.
And what is next?
Liechti is a brand that is very well known in the certain segments of the market. Obviously, the aerospace, the defense that is now growing, and the energy. Because Liechti machines, they are specifically designed to work with all sorts of different and difficult to mill the materials, and the specifics of the Liechti machines that they are tailored to make the 5-axis milling for such components as blisks or the blades that are part of the turbines. The 2 brands left is a Step-Tec and the Steptach. When we talk about Step-Tec, everyone sees the Step-Tec name on the spindle. So actually Step-Tec is the spindle manufacturer that we use in our milling machines.
Last but not least,
Steptach. This is our brand that is based out of Sweden and has been part of our group. We enjoy offering the whole automated solutions to our customers, but also Steptach works as an independent brand to offer the automation, software and the tooling solutions.
Thank you very much for this overview and congratulations again.
Thank you so much and all the best of the show.